Hello guys, welcome again. This is Odessa Electrical Technology, but don't forget to subscribe. Also, in this article today, we are going to see the timer connection with contactor. The connection of the timer with a contactor, you have to know when you are going to make the motor starter circuit automatic on or off lighting circuit. How we'll make the connection with an on delay timer. This timer has both normal close and the normal open contactor. In fact, every timer has like that. We will make the connection using two contactors to understand the work of both normal close and the normal open. But you can make the connection according to your requirement, only normal open or normal close, or both normal open and the normal close. Okay, so let's to see the connection, but apparatus used for this connection, we have three apparatus. Also, first, 3-pole contactor, secondly, single pole MCB, and the 230 voltage on delay timer. So also those are apparatus used for this connection. Timer connection with a contactor. How the steps are given below to make the connection between the timer and the contactor. As you have seen in the above figure, first connect all three-phase input and the output. Connect the A2 terminal of both the contactor and the timer with neutral. Connect the A1 terminal of the timer with any one phase. How we connected with the other phase, you can connect with other two phase. Also, that means you can connect with either a Y phase or B phase. Now, short the A1 and the terminal 15, then connect the terminal 18 of the timer to the A1 terminal of the contactor. This connection does not turn on the contactor instantly. When we turn on the timer by turning on the MCB, the contactor will be turned on after the set time. Now, the above circuit is for constantly turn on the contactor, and it will be turned off after the set time. As you see in the above figure, connect the A1 terminal of the contactor to terminal 16 of the timer instead of terminal 18. So when we are turned on the timer, the contactor will be turned on constantly, and after the set time of the timer, the contactor will be turned off. The above connection diagram is to operate two contactors with an on delay timer. How you can see contactor 1 is connected to terminal 16 or normal close, and the contactor 2 is connected to terminal 18 or normal open. So when we turn on the timer, contactor 1 will be turned on constantly, and after the set time of the timer, contactor 1 will be turned off and the contactor 2 will be turned on. This circuit is generated used with star delta starter. So an on delay timer allow for a delay in the activation of the contactor after a control sign is received. This delay can be set to a specific duration based on the requirement of the system. It provides a time delay before contactor engines, allow for sequence according of the time dependent operation. So this is how to make timer connection with contactor. So welcome again, but don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay.